Hey guys, it's Rebecca with the Creative Writing Club. I just wanted to go over the templates that I made for everyone for the episode and social media posts, so that way people have an idea of how to use the graphics templates and how to touch them up, what to change, what to keep the same as much as they can, and how to upload them as well. I know some people won't have access to the Instagram, so don't worry about that part. Just make sure you're sending it to who can for review beforehand. Awesome, let's dive in and let me know if you have any questions. First and foremost, I made 2 of them so that they'd be ready to go. So this one has a guest speaker or someone that is hosting something cool like that. But yeah, so the first time you use it, you're probably not going to have this saved in your projects. So I would copy and paste it. Please do not alter the templates themselves. We want them to stay the same and not have to redo these a million times. So please try not to alter the templates. And if you do, hit undo all the way until it's back to where it's from. But once you've copied everything, you're gonna go to create and choose Instagram post 4:5 ratio. It should be the same every single time. So click on that. Once it opens, you can paste everything over. I like to also copy paste the background just so everything pops up the same. You can see it all. But from there, you can play with the background. Pretty much all that I'd like you to leave is this here in the corner, unless you want to switch to this side, but make sure it's the same distance away if you can. And same thing with the logo. Either keep it here or put it in the same spot on the other side if you really want to flip it. If you want to get really specific with it, you click here and go to position, and it'll show you. So the x-axis, so I've got it to the right 30 pixels and down 20. And then if you look at the logo here, it's on the x-axis at 870 and on the y-axis 1145. So if you're gonna move them, just pay attention to those, make sure that they match the way that they need to, or essentially just reverse. But for the background, get fun. I really like gradients. I think they keep it more dynamic and interesting. Some of them can be kind of dramatic, so be careful with that. But yeah, so once you've got something picked out, something I love about gradients is you can kind of play with them too. So if you click here on it, then you can choose a different kind of gradient, which is really fun. You can also switch the order of the colors if it will work with me. There we go. And so everything switches around. And you can even get more into it and decide how dark or how opaque you want it to be and adjust the colors a little more in here. So get creative with that. Backgrounds are really fun. Border designs, same thing. Feel free to get rid of that, and then go ahead and get rid of all the graphics that you're not using for this project. Type out the different wording, all those things. If you want to do border design, you can just go to elements and type in border design. And then in graphics, there's all kinds of different options. So if you want to use something like this, just place it in the corners where it goes. And then if they're too big, shift and drag down. And then it already pops up the way you want it with the next one, which is really helpful. In the corners, and then play around with those colors as well, whatever feels right to you with this particular post. There you go. You can do the same over here. Whoops. There we go. Add what you need in here, whatever graphics, whatever photos. We want to add photos when we have photos of events. Change the information, and then you should be pretty good to go. Now, when you're done with this in the future and you're making another one, something really cool is you don't have to go to the templates again and worry about accidentally messing them up. All you have to do is go to Create and start a new project, and then go over here to the left and hit Projects. And you can use a design that you've used before. So you can pull up that template again. It'll already be there, and you can just go from there. You can use old ones as well, and it'll apply whatever you're working on directly to this project, and you can just adjust it from there as opposed to starting from scratch. So yeah, if you have any problems with that, feel free to reach out. And once something is ready to go and ready for Instagram, you'll hit share and then download and save it as a PNG, download, and then once it's fully reviewed and everyone's given you the okay, and if you're able to post it, then you go to Instagram, create, select from computer. I'm going to just pull up what we've already got, upload, and when it first pops up, it's going to look like this, like it's cropped. That's because it's at the wrong ratio right now. So hit this button here and go to 4 to 5, and perfect. Everything's just how we want it to look. So then we go from there, and you'll copy the copy that we've created for it, Command V, paste it in, From here, you're also going to tag Full Sail. That way, not only can they see it, but they can promote our event if they'd like to. So Full Sail is tagged, and it's ready to go. Go ahead and hit share. All right, that should be it. So thank you guys for listening. Reach out if you have any questions at all, and happy designing.